So we're going to be installing this part to make the trigger 3.5 pounds for my Glock 19. Showing this clear. So this is usually how much pressure. So we're going to be installing this, and I'm going to show y'all the after I install this and see how much better it is. People say it's good, and everybody know the Glock trigger sucks. So we're just upgrading this to the max right now. Like I said, I'm trying to get into comp shooting, and before I go buy my 2011s and do all that, I want to maximize my Glock. Because I love the Glock 19, and I love Glock. I'm a fanboy, you could say. But yeah, we're trying to maximize my Glock 19. And this is my everyday carry too, so might as well become an expert at it and upgrade to this max before I go buy the 2011s. What up, guys? So, weapon is clear. Just wanted to show it is clear. I told y'all that I was upgrading the trigger. Well, not even a trigger, but making changing the pounds of the trigger, 3.5, and you definitely can tell the difference. Big difference, man. And the next upgrade is coming is the Holocene, because I'm told you I'm getting to comp shooting. So, but man, you can definitely go get this, bro. Go get it, man. I'm gonna upload videos of me shooting, man, and then like it shoots so much better. Like you're not like feeling like you're squeezing that trigger, like, and then that wall when it come back, it's perfect, man. Everybody know the Glock triggers is terrible, so that's something I would upgrade, man.